Jai Sai Ram, Chapter 50. Description of visit to Gaya, story of previous birth of two gods. Description of visit to Gaya. At one time, Kaka Sahib Dikshit decided to celebrate the Upanyan Sanskar, that is, investiture with sacred thread, at Nagpur, and at the same time, Kaka Sahib Chandorkar described to get married his elder son. They both came to Shirdi and invited Baba. Then he told to take Shama as his representative, but they insisted his personal presence. Then he replied, after passing from Banaras and Prayag, I will reach earlier than Shama. With the permission of Baba, Shama decided to go and attend the celebrations, going first to Nagpur, Gwalior, and after it to Kashi, Prayag, and Gaya. Apakote also began ready to go with Shama. First, they went to Nagpur for attending the Upanyan Sanskar. There, Kaka Sahib Dikshit gave rupees 200 to Shama for expenses. From there, they went to Gwalior to attend marriage. There, Nana Sahib Chandorkar gave rupees 100 and his relative Jathar also represented rupees 100 to Shama. Then Shama reached Kashi, where Jathar gave him a rich welcome in beautiful temple of Lakshmi Narayan. In Ayodhya also, Jathar's manager gave Shama a good reception. Shama and Kote spent 21 days in Ayodhya and 2 months in Kashi, and then started from Gaya. Listening the news of spread of plague in Gaya in the train, they became a little worried. Even then, they alighted at Gaya railway station at night and stayed at Dharmashala. In the morning, the priest Panda of Gaya, who made arrangements for boarding and lodging of the passengers, came there and said that all travelers have left, so you have to hurry. Shama simply asked him, had plague spread in Gaya? Then priest said, no. You come to my house without fear and inspect the situation yourself. Then they reached his house with him. Then there is a big photo of Baba, which was hung in the front part exactly in the center of the house, seeing which he became very happy. His heart filled with emotions. Tears rolled down from Shama's eyes and hair stood at the end of this condition. His throat choked, and while weeping, he began to falter. The priest saw such condition of Shama. He thought that this man was weeping with the fear of plague, but Shama, contrary to his thought, questioned him, where from you got this photo of Baba? He replied that his 200-300 brokers are working in the area of Manmad and Punathambe, and they keep special care of passengers coming to Gaya from that area. There I heard the fame of Sai Baba of Shirdi. Approximately 12 years ago, I personally went to Shirdi, had the sight of Baba. There I got attracted by a photo hung in the wall in the house of Shama. Then by permission of Baba, Shama presented me the photo. This is the same. Shama recalled his past memories, and when the priest came to know that he is the same Shama who had presented the photo to him, and today he is residing in his house as a guest, then his happiness knew no bounds. Both met with pleasure and became very happy. Then the priest gave a royal perception to Shama. In this way, by the blessings of Baba, Shama's travel became successful. Story of previous births of two gods. Once, while Baba was returning to mosque from Landibag, then he saw a herd of goats. Two of these goats attracted Baba. Baba patted them with love and purchased them for 32 rupees. Devotees were astonished by seeing the strange behavior of Baba, and they thought that in this deal Baba had been cheated. because of the cost of the goat was not more than 3 to 4 rupees, and that those goats have been got for 8 rupees. They again began to accuse Baba, but Baba sat calmly. When Shama and Tatya asked the reason of buying the goats, then he replied that I have no house and wife for whom I have to keep and collect money. Then he fed them 4 saris of dal purchased from market. When he fed them, he again returned the goats to their owner. After this, he narrated the story of previous births of these goats. Shama and Tatya, you think that I have been cheated in this deal, but it is not so. Listen their story. In their previous birth, they were real brothers, and in the beginning, they loved each other, but later on, they became staunch enemies of each other. The elder brother was lazy, but the younger one was working hard. He earned immense money, but due to which his elder brother got jealousy with him. Therefore, he decided to swallow up the money by killing him. Forgetting their close relationship, they began to badly quarrel with each other. Elder brother tried many things, but he could not kill the younger brother. Then they began life-taking enemies of each other. One day, elder brother struck on the head of the younger brother with stake. Then, in revenge, younger brother struck an axe on the head of the elder brother. As a result, they both died. Then, according to their deeds, they took birth in the generation of goats. As they passed by me, I remembered their past history and I took pity on them. Therefore, I thought to feed and provide them some pleasure. This is the only reason that I spent money for them, which you feel costly. You people did not feel this exchange good. Therefore, I returned the goats to the shepherd. Jai Sai Ram.